showing how these smog towers were not even working. Kanu is back with us, I'm being told, from Supreme Court of India. Smog towers not working, what are you doing? Also questioning the efficacy, importantly, of the odd-even scheme that causes a great amount of inconvenience at the end of the day, isn't it, Kanu? But the court is saying that has this worked in the past as well?
Yes, Sneha, the court has, in its order, has now said that, they've taken note of the fact that the smog towers are not working. And that is why, they have summoned the TPCC chairman in the top court personally, asking for the details of how many smog towers are working or not working and why they are not working. They have also sought the meetings of all the chief secretaries of all the states will be convened positively by tomorrow, and they have to join either physically or through virtually. And but the meeting has to happen tomorrow to find out what is the solution for the increasing pollution levels in the country. The Friday is what the Supreme Court is going to hear this matter again, but the Supreme Court has also asked the Delhi government as to what analysis they have done on the ordinance scheme when they have, yesterday announced that the ordinance scheme will be implemented from next week or so on in Delhi. So the court is asking the Delhi government to prepare an analysis as to what this scheme has done in the past for the national capital, and also asking the Delhi government a report on the smog towers as well. The Supreme Court has also said. Has also asked the chairperson to have all the real-time data available, whatever they have on the increasing pollution level. They have also asked the DPCC not to reveal this data in public, but only share it with the top court on the next date of hearing, which is November 10th, Friday. So we have to wait and watch that, what data DPCC will give to the top court, and what will be the Supreme Court's Supreme Court's view on that. Also, remember there was a sticker policy which was imposed in Delhi in the past, that certain kinds of color stickers were given to the vehicles, categorizing them as diesel and petrol. So the Supreme Court has also come down heavily on that scheme and said that, whether the scheme is only implemented in Delhi and why not in other states when the Delhi is suffering because of the other states' pollution. So this is another thing which, the Supreme Court is saying, asking all the other states that give a report as to why the scheme is only implemented in Delhi, of identifying the speakers, the vehicles based on the stickers pasted on them. So a lot of directions from the Supreme Court to all other states now.
Absolutely. Series of instructions that have come in, but the big question is who's going to bite the bullet when it comes to farmers. Not just farmers in Punjab, Kanu, but other states as well. Rajasthan, Haryana, like we said, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh also, for example, where stubble burning continues. So obviously it's not just the responsibility of Delhi, but also of the other states that the court is hinting at.
Yes, it is the collective responsibility. This is what the Supreme Court has categorically told all the 5 states, including national capital, that pollution is a collective responsibility and we have to find a solution. Supreme Court again and again said that, we cannot monitor this case like this. We are being monitoring this case in 2018, and this is high time. Our patience level is already up and we have to find a solution. They have also said all the states will have to work together to help the citizens of Delhi to curb this issue which comes up every year after year. The court has not only asked the Punjab government to stop sowing of the paddy, but has also asked the other states as to what measures those states are taking so that Delhi doesn't, feel the wrath of all the pollution which is coming to Delhi. The court also took a note of the fact that since the winter season is coming in Delhi, the wind becomes little heavier than usual, and that is also one of the key things. But the Supreme Court has said that the paddy sowing in Punjab has to stop because it is creating a lot of issues for the citizens of Delhi.
In fact, the court has made a series of observations as far as the solutions offered is also concerned. Importantly, questioning the efficacy of the odd-even scheme as well, because this is not the first time that this has been announced. In the past, the contribution of this bringing down vehicular pollution has been questioned by experts as well, isn't it, Kanu? Many have said it actually causes more inconvenience than benefits. Parties have gone on to, in fact, say that this is an issue of, the AAP being against the Sanatan Dharma, essentially.
Yes, you've correctly pointed out. Even the amicus curiae appointed in this case has cited an IIT study which says that the 20% pollution is because of the stubble burning, but 15% of the pollution which Delhi is facing is because of the vehicular pollution. Vehicular pollution, especially those trucks which passes through Delhi and goes to other states. So the guidelines of barring those vehicles, the trucks and all, have been only done yesterday. The court has also criticized the fact that, why the Delhi government is not, taken these steps at the beginning of the season when they are monitoring that the season is going to change and the pollution is going to continue. Justice Kaul, who was one of the judges on the bench, has also told the counsel for the Punjab government that he was going to Amritsar at last weekend, and he could only see the fires along the roadside, and said that the fire burning, the stubble burning is a huge issue and it has to be curbed down. The Punjab government again categorically said that we are working on it and we will work on it, but we need certain funds, and that is why we are convening a meeting of all the chief secretaries from all the states so that a solution can be done. Centre will also be part of this meeting to understand the issues.
All right, I'm going to thank you, Kanu, for getting us up to speed with that. These are developments that we're reporting on from the Supreme Court of India. A series of observations on odd even, questioning whether that really works. Isn't this just optics? Stubble burning must stop, not just in Punjab, in Rajasthan, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Questioning what the AAP is doing in Delhi, given that they have the same political party ruling in Punjab.